Okay, next update. Tengeru Tomato Select 97. Last time I showed you when we were doing the land preparation. Now today we are doing the actual transplanting. And I want to show you what is actually happening at the nursery here. So we are about, as you know, the sun is going down. So now we are just, we actually started, we started this week on Sunday doing the actual transplanting. So yeah, you know, it's a very long process. You need a lot of labor and everything. So we are doing it slowly. So now they are preparing the beds for the actual transplanting. As you can see, if you can see my colleague in the back there, is actually picking the actual seedlings in readiness for transplanting. So let me take you to the field so that you have a look at how it's looking after the land transplanting. The land preparation, sorry. Yeah. So this is the pipe that is going to the field. It's coming all the way from the tank there. So we've got a 5,000 liter supply capacity tank. Yeah, then the pipe goes all the way to the field. Let me show you the progress that we've made so far from the last update that I gave. If you remember very well, in the last video, I talked about us doing the actual land preparation, obviously in anticipation of the same tomato that is just being plucked out there, so that we bring it for planting. So yeah, our field will actually start from here. So here, this is the main line, supply line. Then we'll actually put some more beds here, obviously. But so far, we've done almost, so far we've done 30 beds. That is the tomato beds and the chili beds. These are these are 80 meters in length. So the plot size is approximately 1 acre. That is 63 there and 63 by 63. That's an acre. So far, like I had earlier promised, we're doing chili. So we started with chili. These are the chili seedlings that we just finished transplanting. We actually transplanted like last week, so these are like 2 weeks old. As you can see, they're coming up very well. These are under 2 weeks. 2 weeks, they're coming up very well. So what we did is we had actually applied manure. You can see, if you can see the brown stuff here, this is manure. We had applied manure and lime because obviously the lab report came that they advised that we should add a little bit of manure. So yeah, so this is chili. So we've got about 9 beds of chili. If you see, 9 beds of chili. They go all the way. So these are 9. So this is chili. These are almost like 2 weeks now. Yeah, 2 weeks. They were actually, I would say they were about 10 beds, but goats came in from the neighborhood. I don't know how they passed the fence, but yeah, somehow they came in and ate some of our seedlings. So yeah, we're reduced to 8. So all this is chili. This is 80 meters all the way. It goes all the way 80 meters. So we're using a plant spacing of 50. That is 50 centimeters from each plant to the next. So we've got about 156 plants for each 100-meter long, each 80-meter long bed. So all this is chili. All this is chili. So yeah, basically chili ends here. We've got about 8 beds of chili, 80 meters long, 156. Then now this tomato started from here. You know, tomato we started planting this week for tomato. We started on Monday. It's quite involving in terms of labor. Yeah. So they start from here. All this is tomato. It goes all the way. It's 156 as well. 156 plants per each of these drips that you see. So yeah, it goes all the way. So far, we've done almost, I would say, this is almost 30 by 80 meters long beds and still more. So yeah, so tomato ends up to here. So far, this is what we've managed to plant up to here. Then these are being watered in preparation for what? To come and transplant in the evening. So in the evenings, that's the job that we're going to have, in that we have to do what? Come and do the planting here. So yeah, this is how it's going. So yeah, all the drip lines have been laid, as you can see. All these are 80 meters long. This is the main line. They go all the way 80 meters. All this will be planted today, this evening. Yeah, all this will be done this evening. So yeah, this is how far we've pushed. Tengeru Select 97, doing tomato and chili for the first time. YouTube University. Let's see if it works. I'll keep you updated. And yeah, you see how it goes. So yeah, we are basically ending here. We'll leave this space. This season we're planting maize. Maize will start from here. It will go all the way. We're going to clear all this side there. All that other side there is going to be cleared for maize. All this will be for maize. But yeah, for drip irrigation, we're ending here. So yeah, we're doing tomato. If you can see in the background there are some people that are coming to do the planting. So yeah, I'll keep you updated.